Hi, it's Adrienne. How are you doing? So I'm back with a palette that's new to me today. I have my white t-shirt on and I didn't want to get makeup all the way around it. So I went ahead and used a powder foundation today. And I have the Loreal, this is their fair shade in Baked, Balance, and Glow. And this is their second shade. So they have Porcelain, which is lighter, and this is Fair. And so this is what I used as foundation today. Did go ahead and use NYX, bear with me, as far as my concealer. And then starting with the lips today, I did go ahead and use the lip gloss in the orange or the peachy shade. And this one is from BPure. You can get it over at Dollar Tree. And then I mixed some of the essence, and this one is the Extreme Shine with it. So yeah, that's what I have as far as the lips today. As far as bronzer, I got out some of the NYX Deserve Butta. And with the eyeshadow palette, I thought that this one would be a really good one to go ahead and use with that. And then I also got out, here it is. It's trying to run away from me. This is going to be the Had Butta, and it's their Tangerine shade over. So yeah, that's the blush that I have on today. And then I went ahead and did NYX again for the highlighter, and this is Glaze at Butta. And so this one is an orangey gold. And so, yeah, I got NYX all over the cheeks today, and they showed up really, really well on a powder foundation, because sometimes you can have a problem with that, but I didn't today. So grateful for the whatever comes my way. And then I did actually go ahead and put some of the L'Oreal Lumi Lay Glass over the top of it. This is the Balm. It gives you a really wet look, and if you're using another highlighter, since it's a balm, it'll help another highlighter like this to go ahead and stay on there. And so that's what I have on as far as my cheeks. I have a really, really bright cheek today. And I did go ahead and pick up Desert Haze. This one is from Beauty Bay. It's one of their new releases for the fall. And this is the palette. It does end up being, it's a gorgeous palette, first off. And it does actually lean orange. So really pretty. What I did today was I went ahead and used this in the outer corner, this one in the crease, then I topped all of it with this shimmer down here. This is the multi-chrome or duochrome for the pan. I think it's the only one that I could find. I went ahead and used this from here to here. And then on the middle of the lid, I went ahead and mixed these two together. So I have those two on the middle of the lid. And as far as right under the eyebrow, I went ahead and used this shade right here. And I used a little bit of this right in the corner. In fact, I think I'll do that again for an inner corner highlight. And the Emride eyeliner. Yeah, this is the Emride eyeliner in green. This is the way that the look came out. So, well, let's see. Beauty Bay always has really good eyeshadow formula. And I like their skincare products as well. They're based in the UK, so, pardon me. When you order it, usually it can take anywhere from a week to a month, depending on what time of year it is and how busy they are. But I think it's a beautiful palette. And living in the area of the U.S. where there are a lot of deserts, I would say that, yes, it does go ahead and encompass that whole feel. And I'll be back in just a moment with a couple of swatches. Okay, so I'm back with some swatches. And these are the swatches. I keep on thinking of the Natasha Denona palette that came out that went ahead and had these colors in it, and they just, they do tend to lean a little bit orange, but you can do a lot with the variety in here. You definitely have a burgundy, you have some beautiful green, a blue in here, and you have a whole bunch of lighter colors that you can go ahead and use as well. And this multi-chrome is just absolutely gorgeous. I really love the color story of this, and so I think this will be a great palette for fall to go ahead and pick up on the Beauty Bay website. They are based in the UK, so it can take like a week to 3 weeks because they are shipping from the UK. As far as hearing anything about the tariffs, I haven't yet on Beauty Bay stuff, so that's always something to think about, but it is a brand new gorgeous palette. Their eyeshadow formula is really blendable, it's really pigmented, and the shimmers are just really, really pretty. So you can do a really dramatic look or an everyday look. And so I'm really glad that I went ahead and picked this one up. I would go ahead and recommend it to anybody, especially with fall coming up. And I think that's about the video. And I hope that you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye.